Hello, my kids. Nice to meet you again with the Mathematics Primary 3 2025-2026. Let's go. Today, inshallah, we'll meet chapter 6, the final chapter. Okay? Our lesson today consists of 4 lessons. Lesson 1 about patterns of multiplying or multiplication by multiples of 10. Lesson 2 strategies of multiplication by 9. Lesson 3 facts on multiplication and addition. Last one, comparing order numbers in different forms. Are you ready? Let's go. Our lessons. First one, apply basic multiplication facts. Use the finger trick for table 9. Finger trick for table 9. Apply the distributive property. Last object, arrange a set of numbers in ascending or descending order. Let's start. First lesson about patterns of multiplying by multiples of 10. Let's study this activity. Yes. In front of you can see 5 times 30 or 5 multiplied by 30. Let's see first strategy, second, and third. In our lesson, we have 3 strategies. You should know all or at least one of them. First one, our question was 5 times 30. First strategy, patterns. The basic 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. What about 5 times 30? It will be 150. Okay? 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 30, it will be 150. What about 5 times 300, 3,000, and so on? Okay? Second strategy, splitting like arrays. 5 times 30, yes. 30 equals what? 30 equals 3 times 10. So by using associative property, I can write 5 times 3 times 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 times 10, it will be 150. This is another strategy to times a number by multiples of 10. Third one, by models, by blocks. So we have 5 times 30. That means I repeat 30 5 times. 30 and 30 and 30 and 30 and 30. So we have 5 30s. 5 30s by using blocks equals 150. So you have 3 strategies to find the value of 5 times 30 by patterns, by splitting, or by using models or blocks. This is an example. You can answer all numbers by this way. Next, we have what? We have 4 times 20. 4 times 20. By using any one of these strategies, you are free to choose any one suitable for you. By patterns, 4 times 2 equals 8. What about 4 times 20? It will be what? It will be 80. Let's get it. 4 times 2 equals 8. So 4 times 20 equals 80. By using what? By using patterns. What about splitting? You should know 4 times 20. It will be 4 times 2 times 10. I split 20 into 2 and 10. Let's get it. Yes. 4 times 20 is split 20 into 2 and 10. It will be 4 times 2 times 10. By using associative property, I write 4 times 2 times 10. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times 10 equals 80. I think all are easy. What about blocks? We have 4 blocks of 20s. 20, 20, 20, and 20. So you have 4 20s. 20 and 20 and 20 and 20 all equals 80. So I'll get 80 by pattern, by splitting, or by blocks or models. Another example, 3 times 40. 3 times 40. By using patterns, 3 times 4 equals 3 times 4 equals 12. Yes. So 3 times 4 equals 12. What about 3 times 40? it will be 120. Great. Let's see. Yes. What about splitting? Great. What about blocks? Yes. We have 3 40s. 40 and 40 and 40. Some of them equals 120. Another example. 6 times 20. 4 patterns for basic. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 20, it will be 120. Let's see. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 20, it will be 120. Yes. What about splitting? Yes. We'll see. 2 times 10, equals 20. So from the beginning, 6 times 20, split 20 into 2 and 10. So 2 times 2 times 10, 6 times 2 times 10, it will be 6 times 2, associative property, times 10. 6 times 2, it will be 12. 12 times 10, 120. What about blocks? We have 6 blocks of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I repeated that 26 times. 20, 20, 20, 20, and so on. How many 20s? There are 6 20s. Some of them 120 by splitting, by pattern, or by blocks. Last one. 2 times 50. 2 times 50 by using a pattern. 2 times 5, 2 times 50. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 50, 100. What about splitting? 50 equals 5 times 10. So 2 times 5 times 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. What about blocks? Yeah. We have 2 groups. Each one consists of 50. So 50 and 50 equals 100. This is what our standard of our session today. How to times any number by multiples of 10. Okay? Yeah. Let's get exercise about multiples of 10 if we times them by any number. Yes. It's simple. 6 times 8. Yeah, 6 times 8, it will be 48. By the same way, 6 times 80, 48 tenths. 48 tenths. Times 100, 4,800. What about 1,000? 48,000. Answers right. A new one. 3 times 7. Yes, 21. 3 times 70. 21 tenths or 210. 3 times 700. It will be 2100 or 2100. 3 times 7,000. It will be 21,000. Check. Yeah, excellent. Great job. Another one. 3 times 7 equals 21. Yes, we got it. Let's choose another way for our quiz, decomposing or splitting for this one. Okay, 6 times 50. I can split 50 into 5 and 10. So it will be 6 times 5 times 10. 30 tenths. 30 tenths mean 300. Check. Yeah, well done. Okay, another one. The same way. 5 times 20 by splitting. 5 times 10. Why? I split 20 into 2 and 10. Okay? So 20 equals 2 times 10. The question now becomes 5 times 2 times 10. 5 times 2, it will be 10. 10 tenths. That means 100. Yes. New one. 5 times 50. Split 50 into 5 and 10. So 5 times 5 times 10. 5 times 5, it will be 25. 25, 10. It will be 250. Yes, another one. 9 times 40. 9 split 40 into 4 and 10. So 9 times 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. 36, 10. That means 360. Check it? Yeah. Another one, 8 times 80. Split 80 into 8 and 10. So 8 times 8 times 8 times 10. 8 times 8, 64. 64 times 10, that means 64 tens. It will be 640. Check. When you see the green color, that means you all answers right. 9 times 80 by the same way. 9, 8, 10. 9 times 8, it will be 72. 72 times 10, it will be 72 tens. That means 720. What about word problem? So Hannah bought 4 books to use at school. Each book costs 40 pounds. We have 4 books. Each one costs 40 pounds. That means 4 times 40. 4 times 40. 4 times 40. 4 times 4, it will be 16. 16 times 10, it will be 16 tens. That means 160. Good. Amir bought 7 toys to use at school. Each toy costs 60 pounds. Same. 7 times 60. 7 times 6, it will be 42. 42 times 10, that means 42 tens. 42 tens mean 420. Layla bought 5 toys to use at school. Each toy costs 40 pounds. The same way, 5 times 40, that means 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 tens mean 200. The same, yeah. Ala, I can't cancel this name. So Ala bought 3 pens to use at school. Each pen costs 70 pounds. Okay. So the answer will be 3 times 70. 3 times 7, it will be 21. 21 times 10, or 21 tens, that means 210. Yeah. Yes. A new one. Amir, Layla. It's okay. So we have a quiz about multiplying pattern by this way, or by using decomposing or splitting like this way, or using multiples of 10 in word problem. Let's get another activity for our lessons. Yeah, it was a funny game on multiplication and addition, the 9 times table trick. Okay. Yes, let's start. This is what about table, this trick for table 9 only. Okay, the 9 times table trick. Now use your fingers of hands. Okay, so number 1, refer to the shortest finger of your left hand. Okay, this is number 1. Count from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. Okay. Take care when and this one 1 times 9. 1 times 9, that's mean finger 1 is bent. Put it down. Okay. How many numbers on the left? 0. 0 on the left. How many numbers or how many fingers on the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 times 9 equals 9. Now let's paint second finger. Now, how many fingers on the left? 1. How many fingers on the right? 8. That means 2 times 9 equals 18. Finger 2 is bent. 1 green tens on the left and 8 ones on the right. By the same way, paint finger number 3. You can see 2 fingers on the left, 7 fingers on the right. That means 3 times 9 equals 27. Let's paint finger number 4. How many fingers on the left? 3. How many fingers on the right? 6. That means what? 4 times 9 equals 36. It's in the table. It's a game. And finger number 5. Now finger 5 is bent. How many fingers on the left? 4. On the right? 5. That means 5 times 9 equals 45. Take care, this trick for table 9, not for any table, for table 9. So it's called the 9 times table trick. Let's pen finger number 6. How many fingers on the left? 5. How many fingers on the right? 4. That means 6 times 9 equals 54. Can you guess what about finger number 7? I give you a moment to get the answer. 7 times 9. 7 times 9. Yeah, there are 6 fingers on the left and 3 fingers on the right. The answer or the product of 7 and 9 equals 63. What about finger number 8? 8 times 9. How many fingers on the left? 7 on the right, 2. It will be 72. What about finger number 9? There are 8 fingers on the left and 1 finger on the right. What about 10 times 9? There are 9 fingers on the left and none fingers on the right. That means 0. 9 fingers on the left, 0 fingers on the right. So 10 times 9 equals 90. This is trick for table 9 to care by kids. Now let's get exercise about table 9. Let's get a quiz about table 9. First one, find product. 4 times 9 equals, yes, try to help me, 36. 5 times 9, you can use your fingers. Pen to number 5, it will be 45. Yes. Pen finger number 4, it will be 36. 10 times 9 equals 90. Yes. 7 times 9. Finger number 7 is 10. That means 63. This one is repeated. Let's check. All right. 3 times 9. 3 times 9. It's okay. A new one. Yes. 1 times 9. That means pen finger number 1. It will be 9. Finger 8 is bent, that means 72. Finger number 5 is bent, that means 45. Finger number 4 is bent, that means 36. Finger number 9 is bent, it will be 81. Here, 0 times a number we got it before, 0 times a number equals 0. Check. Yes. Another exercise, join. Yes. 1 times 9. Let's get it. 1 times 9 equals 9. Yes. 10 times 9 equals 90. Great. 5 times 9, it will be 45. What about 8 times 9? It will be 72. Yes. Our answers right. Well, that means change position of each one. 2 times 9, 18. 8 times 9, 72. 3 times 9, 27. 1 times 9 equals 9. Yes. It looks like, what about the third activity of our quiz? Pattern. Let's complete the pattern. 45, 54. What is this? They are multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. 45, 54. Next, 63. 27, okay. 36, 54, 63. Yeah, it will be 45. Multiples of 9. Here at 72, 63, 54. Let's check. Yeah, we got all. New pattern. This one, 63, I think we got it before. 63, 72, 81. 27 and what? Table 9, multiples of 9. Yes, 36. Yeah, we got all. New pattern, 72, 63. Help me, my cat. Yes, 54, 81, 72. Yeah, 63, 54. What about this one? 90, 81. Just help. 72. Yes, check. Great. What about missing factor? Yes. What times 9 equals 72? Table 9, multiple of 9. Which number is missing? 8. Yes. Which number times 9 equals 18? 2. Yes. Yes, 9. Yes, 1. 9 times what equals 18 times 2. Here, 9 times what equals 54 times 6. Yeah, look at. They are opposite. 6, 8. Check. Great. I think we got all. You can see. Let's finish with this one. Here, 6. Yes, 9. Yes, 7. What about last one? Yeah, 3. Let's finish this activity. Now, facts on multiplication and addition. Take care here. Adding to 0. Adding to 0. If we add any number to 0, we will get the same number. Any number plus 0 stay the same. Any number plus 0 stays the same. In our example, 0 plus 16 equals 16. 0 plus 72 equals 72, the same. The same. You see? 0 plus any number equals the same number. That means any number plus 0 stays the same. This is called our strategy about adding to 0. Sum of 0 and any number is that number. The sum of 0 and any number is that number. Okay? What about multiplying by 0? 0 is powerful. It turns everything into 0. If you times any number by 0, we will get 0. You can see? Any number times 0 equals 0. Okay? So first one, adding 0, stay the same number, times 0 equals 0. What about adding to 1? Adding to 1 will increase 1. Okay? Adding to 1, the sum of 1 and any number is the next number. For example, 6 and 1, the next number of 6 is 7. So 6 and 1 equals 7. 7 and 1 equals 8. 8 and 1 equals 9. 48 and 1, 49. 16 and 1, 17. 2 and 1, 3. 13 and 1, 14. Adding to 1. What about multiplying by 1? The product of 1 and any number is that number. Like what? The sum of 0 and any number is that number. The product of 1 and any number is that number. 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. 1 times 7 equals 7. Okay? 1 is like a mirror. That means the number sees itself. Adding any order. It's called commutative property. Commutative property. 9 plus 3 equals 3 plus 9. Okay? If you swim the numbers, the sum is the same. 8 and 4, 4 and 8. 2 and 13, 13 and 2. 15 and 17, 17 and 15. And so on. 6 and 3, 3 and 6. If you swam in numbers in adding, the sum is the same. What about multiplying in any order? Order doesn't matter in multiplication. 2 times 9, 9 times 2. 6 times 5, 5 times 6. Okay? This is fact in adding and multiplication. double in number. Double in number. Adding the same number twice is double of it. So 8 and 8 to 8. 5 and 5 to 5. 6 and 6 to 6. Okay, for in our example, 8 and 8, 2 times 8, it will be 16. 12 and 12, 2 times 12. 5 and 5, 2 times 5. 4 and 4, 2 times 4. 11 and 11, 2 times 11. It's called double number. Okay? What about multiplying big numbers? Yes. How to times big numbers by using distributive property. This number 7 times 18. 18 equals what? By splitting 10 and 8. So you can split 18 into 10 and 8. That means what? 7 times 10 plus 7 times 8. 7 times 10 equals 70. 7 times it equals 56. 70 and 56 equals 126. Another example. 8 times 12. Split 12 into 10 and 2. That means 8 times 10 plus 8 times 2. 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 2, 16. 18 and 16 equals 96. The same. Split 16 into 10 and 6. 5 times 10 plus 5 times 6. I split 15 into 5 and 10. It will be 7 times 10, 70. 7 times 5, it will be 35. 70 and 35, 105. You can see it's simple. 6 times 12, split 12 into 10 and 2. 6 times 10 plus 6 times 2, 60 and 12 equals 72. 4 times 17, 4 times 10 and 4 times 7, 40 and 28 equals 68. This is called what? Distributive property. It's simple. Yeah. Oh. It's a big game. Let's finish it. 6 and 6, double, 12. 10 times 0. Any number times 0. Any number times 1. Stays the same, yes. 3 plus 7, grade 1, it will be 10. 1 times 1. Any number times 1, the next. Any number times 0. Any number plus 0. Yes. Double. Yes, double. Triple 9. Multiply number by a multiple of 10. Subtract any number plus 0. Any number plus 1. And 9 is table trick. 9 times 5. Split 5 into 3 and 2. 0 plus 7. 7 plus 0 equals 7. So 7 times what equals 7 times 1. 6 and 0, 6. It will be 3 and 2. 3 times 2, sorry. Yeah, it's a trick. 7 times 0 equals 0. How to get 0? 7 minus 7. 1 and 5, 6. 6 times what equals 6? 6 times 1. Double. Commutative. Okay, this is what? Sorry, this is times. It will be 3 and 3. Double. 12. Any number times 0 equals 0. So the left side is 0. Right side must be 0. This is what? 5 times 2 equal 10. 10 and what equal 10? 10 and 0. 1 times 10 equals 10. So 1 and 9 equals 10. Check. We got all. Compare and order in different forms. Okay. Now we have example in front of you. 465,273. Each digit has a position called the place value and has a value. Any number has a place value and value. The value of any number depends on its place. The value of any number depends on its place. So this is 4. The place of this 4 is what? Is 100,000. So its value 400,000. What about 6? 6 in the 10,000 place. Its value 60,000. What about 5? 5 is in the thousands place. Its value 5,000. 2 hundreds place. 200. 7 tens place. 70. 3 ones place. 3 Okay, let's write this number. So I wrote 124,056. Let's get one digit by digit. For the first one, number one, 1 in 100,000 place, 100,000. 2, 10,000 place, 20,000. 4, thousands place, 4,000. What about this digit? 0. 0 is what? Is hundreds place. Its value 0. Let's draw another number. Let's get this one 2. Let's remove 2 and write 0 to check what's the difference between this 0 and the other 0. Okay, now we have 2 zeros in our number. 0 in 10,000 place, 0 in hundreds place. What's the difference between them? Let's see. 0 in 10,000 place, its value 0. In hundreds place, its value 0. What that mean? The value of 0 is 0 at any place. The value of 0 is 0 at any place. Okay? We should know there are different forms of writing number. This is called standard form. If you write the value of each digit, it's called expanded form. The last one is word form. 104,056. 104,056. Expanded, 1 is 100,000. 4 is 4,000. 5 is 50. 6 is 6. This is expanded form. You can write a number by any one of them. Standard, expanded, or word. You can write a number as you want to check value and the place value of each digit of it. Okay, let's finish it. Now, math master class. Yeah, complete the following. We have a standard form of the number. We need to write it in expanded form. The number is what? 2,992. That means 2,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 2. Okay? In the number 67,624, the value of 6. Value of 6. We have 6. If we wrote 60,000, if we wrote 60,000 for this 6, this is what? 10,000. If we wrote 600, we can write what? Hundreds. But we wrote 60,000 and its place value is what? Is 10,000. Now this one, how many thousand? 2. How many hundreds? 4. How many tens? 9. How many ones? 1. Choose the correct answer. The value of the digit 2. We have 2, 2. This is a big mistake for it. We have 2, 2. So 220. You can choose any one of them. 400,000. This is expanded form. 400,000, 60,000, 40. That's not for you. 400. Yes, this one. Put greater or less. Check the number from the left. 11,000, 11,000, 920, 910. 920 greater. 2,000, 6,000, 6,000 is greater. 7,000, 1,000, 7,000 is greater. Arrange ascending from the least to the most, from the smallest to the largest. Which one? 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. All have the same thousand. What about 100? 500, 300, 200, 200. 200 is the smallest. We have 260, 220. This one, the smallest. This one, and this one, and this one. From the largest, from the most to the least, descending order. From the greatest, 62,000, 62,000, 61,000, 67,000. This is greatest. 62, 62. Look at 100, 400, 300. 400 is bigger. 300 is smaller. 61,000 is the smallest one. This is a simple quiz for your lessons. We reached to the end of our lesson. Funny time passed fast. Nice to meet you, my kid. I hope to get funny time with me. See you later. Bye.